Okay. Then, Ibria, I really want you to share Atomic Vision, and I want you to teach them how to buy Korean website.
Okay. You can say something first, and then I will add what you say.
Sengaja
If
biar
you have
cepat.
if you have any message for Rini
Biar cepat.
and Sinta, then Helen,
Uh,
you can start first.
yeah, yeah. Okay. Atomic Vision is passive income, but not small passive income, but very big passive income. First time until sales master take long time and feel very hard. Uh, yeah, until sales master, you need to give big effort. But after sales master, you already have some partner team, so you will grow up easier than until sales master, auto sales master. So no give up, then you will reach sales master, and after that you go to success naturally. And until sales master, you feel very hard, but it is really big worth because your big effort, your daughter life, your children life will very easy and very good life, very good future. So give time, give effort in Atomy. Then your effort, your time is worth, the most worth. Yeah. And uh, and I think Atomy is best job for every people. So I already teach my daughter, you have to do atomic business. I don't want to become doctor. I don't want you to become a lawyer. I want you to become atomic sales master. Yeah, because atomic job is helping job, helping so many people. You can change your family, your lovely friends' future, change their future. They can uh, stay very good future. Yeah. So Atomy business is really proud business. So I hope you to do Atomy business with proud. So uh, maybe you are Christian, so you want to share so many people for their over heaven life to God. Same. I don't understand. Some people shame to share atomy business. I don't understand. Very uh, disappointed. Only one or two refuse to your friend and family. They don't know. They don't know about atomy. What is atomy business? So they refuse. But atomy business, you're sharing, you, you share atomy business for them. So you need to more proud with atomy business, and you need to more believe atomy business. Yeah, no give up, you will success. Yeah.
Yeah, Helen. I will complete a little bit ya. Saya mau melengkapi sedikit. I will say it in bahasa ya.
Ya,
Helen ya. Oke. Jadi buat saya sangat setuju ya dengan yang Helen katakan bahwa memang di Atomi itu yang paling berat kerjanya itu ketika tahap-tahap awal. Hai, is it Jian?
ya Jiun, right?
Hai Jian.
Hi. Hi, Lei.
Libria.
Ivory. Oh.
Ya, hai Jian, how are you?
Good. You too?
Ya, fine, thank you.
지금 미팅하고 계세요?
네네네, 지금 시작했어요.
그러셨구나. 네, 알겠습니다.
네.
오늘도 수고하세요. 이브리야, 바이.
Bye. Ya, so I will continue ya. Jadi
Ya.
buat Rini dan Sinta. Jadi memang di Atomi itu, in Atomi the hardest part is to be sales master. Atomi is like planting a seed, like kayak menanam biji. Ketika kita sedang merintis menjadi sales master, itu when we try to be sales master, so many times we want to give up because no money. We don't get money easily in Atomi. Kita nggak dapat uang cepat di Atomi, and we still need money for our daily life, right? So if you do Atomi business, don't quit with your current job now. Jangan stop kerjaan yang masih Anda kerjakan sekarang. Karena kita masih butuh dana untuk menghidupi keluarga. Ya, but we need to allocate time every day to think about Atomi and do Atomi. Maybe every day we do 1 hour, 2 hours. At least if you still have your current job, you need to make time to do Atomi time. And we have to, like what Atomi already suggest us ya, kita harus membuat list nama. Itu tetap dikerjakan. We keep telling people and explain to them about Atomi. Ya, even so many time people reject. They don't want, but it's okay. Jadi pengalaman saya menjalankan Atomi, karena saya sudah menangkap visi Atomi, ketika saya cerita ke seseorang tentang Atomi, saya memposisikan diri saya di pihak dia. Bagaimana Atomi bisa menjawab kebutuhan mereka, bukan menjadikan mereka itu sebagai aset saya. When I meet people, when I explain about Atomi, I try to put myself in other people position. Ya, halo Pak Timo, selamat pagi.
Pagi, saya sambil monitor ya.
Ya Pak, sip. Ya, jadi ketika saya memperkenalkan Atomi ke teman-teman, ke siapapun juga, yang saya lakukan itu saya memposisikan diri saya di pihak mereka. Saya belajar mencoba membuka pikiran orang-orang ini bagaimana Atomi bisa menjadi jawab untuk kebutuhan keluarga mereka. Ya, so when we put ourselves in other people position, we can help them and they can see Atomi in different way. Ya, jadi jangan pernah membuat orang lain itu sebagai sumber income saya. I never think people as our source of income, but I want to come in their life to help them to have better future. Jadi itu yang kami lakukan. Helen, already, what do you call it? I register my nanny, my babysitter, Keisha babysitter when Keisha was young. Susternya anakku Keisha sekarang 19 tahun, 19 years old. Keisha ini anak saya punya nanny dulu waktu kerja sama saya ya, a friend from church. And this period, she become sales master. Susternya anakku menjadi sales master. Ini benar-benar saya bersyukur ya. I was so thankful because when the first time I asked her to join Atomi, she said, I don't have money. Atomi is not my lifestyle because they think the product Atomi is expensive. But I explained to her, it's not all product is expensive. She bought only the small toothpaste. She bought the what you call it? Apa itu? rumput laut yang seaweed, the big pack of seaweed. Itu murah, 100.000, 100,000 consists of 6 pack. So it's still affordable. Sampai satu hari, one day, she got stomach problem, gastric problem. She already went to the doctor, took many medicine, spent a lot of money, still didn't recover. And I gave her Vinzyme. Only 4 pieces of Vinzyme. I asked her to take. In 2 days, she got recover. She can eat and she feels so good. Jadi ya, after that, she tell to everyone how good is Atomy product because of that Vinzyme. And other people got the same problem ya. She got many church friend who got the same problem, gastric problem. In this time, di masa pandemi ini banyak orang sakit mah. Karena stress ya. In this time, many people got gastric problem because of stress. Jadi sakit mah itu banyak banget. Setiap orang selalu mengeluh sakit mah ya. Jadi Rachel ini cerita ke teman-temannya tentang Vinzyme-nya Atomy dan Spirulina. Banyak yang sembuh. Akhirnya satu demi satu mereka join member. Nah, this is only one example. So, she got experience with one product, ya, 2 products, Spirulina and Vinzyme. And from that point, she start doing Atomy business. From December start really focus doing Atomy, and July sales master in 6 months. Yeah. She got every day, setiap hari, saya sebagai mentornya dia, saya luangkan waktu every day. I make a phone call to her at least 30 minutes, 1 hour every day. I invest my time to her. Give her vision, give her spirit, give her positive thinking, and doing consultation, follow up. I ask her every day, what is your day? What is your experience? Meeting people, everything. So she has close time with me for the first 3 months. 3 bulan pertama saya benar-benar pantau dia. Tanyakan kesulitannya, tanyakan kebutuhannya, saya support. And sometimes I support her with product. If she need to do a facial last time, I support her. I let her use my product. Or if she need a little product sample, I help her because maybe she cannot afford to buy everything. But I support. But the first thing is important is to make her understand Atomy vision. And it's just going on. And now she recruit many people. All from the lower middle class people, not high class. Middle. And dan masa pandemi ini, di masa sekarang ini, dia bisa menjual hemohim. In this time, she sold many hemohim to friends because she already take hemohim and she can tell how good the product. Dan ini satu real gitu, karena saya ingin jadikan Rachel ini percontohan bahwa orang biasa pun bisa sukses. I want to make Rachel as one of the example that ordinary people can be successful in Atomy. So, first time I introduce her at least around 10 product. Jadi saya pertama-tama kenalkan sekitar 10 produk ke dia. Dan dia nggak perlu menguasai product knowledge sampai detail. Kadang kita merasa terbatas, nggak bisa prospek orang karena takut ditanya detail produk. Semua info produk ada di web, semua info produk ada di grup. Kita bisa minta grup kita mensupport kita dengan info produk yang kita perlukan. Tapi kita juga tetap memperkaya diri ya, sering belajar, sering membaca. Nah, itu yang dilakukan Rachel. When Rachel got question from friends, maybe she cannot answer all the question, but she will come to upline, asking, if someone ask me this, what should I answer? Like what I did to Helen in the beginning. I call Helen so many times, asking. Yeah, and then I do that to Rachel. After first 3 months, she got confident. So after that, saya mulai jaga nggak tiap hari. Ya, after that, I do monitoring not every day, but maybe 2 or 3 times a week. Because I give my time to other people, the new one coming. Jadi kita sebagai leader harus punya orang-orang yang kita mentori dalam periode waktu tertentu. As a leader, we have to have people that we are doing mentoring in certain period. Give 3 months for one person. Like I always said, doing Atomy business is like growing a baby, taking care of baby. Yeah, when baby just born, we need to have full time for her, thinking about the food, thinking about how to make them comfortable, ya, membuat nyaman, spend time to talk, to cheer, ya, menyemangati, say hello. But when the baby grow up, we have to give different meal, different menu to make her stronger. That's what we do to our member. So for all member that we recruit, at least we know what is their need. Not everyone interested in business. No. Some people, many people interested in product. And even though it's about product, we need to know what product they might be interested. Ya, meskipun produk banyak orang yang kita harus tahu kira-kira kebutuhannya apa. Nah, jadi kalau kita bisa mengenali kebutuhan orang yang kita rekrut, it's so easy how we can enter into their life. So they will open communication with us and come to us anytime they got problem. They feel very comfortable. We are very close to them. So what I do is doing like that, like I think Atomy is like family. Each of our children, I give them the right meal. And I tell them, one day when you grow up, you also make family. And do that to your children. So by doing that, it's good. And we try to make the team harmony, care each other. Ciptakan suasana yang nyaman dalam grup kita. Jadi kalau kita membuat kaki, make 2 line. We make 2 line, people that we recruit. Jangan berharap 1 kaki dari upline. Kalau dikasih itu bagus. If your upline give you 1 leg, it's good. But don't count on them. Focus on making 2 leg by them yourself. This is the best. Jadi 2 kaki itu harus dari kita, punya kita. Meskipun upline kasih it's okay, tapi kita punya orang-orang. Dan orang-orang itu yang ada, minimal fokus 3 orang di kiri, 3 orang di kanan di awal-awal ini. Jadikan partner kita. Anggap itu kayak teman kita yang kita ajak shopping bareng. Kita sering curhat bareng gitu ya. Kita punya tetangga lah ya, 3 tetangga kiri, 3 tetangga kanan. Yang kita sering ngobrol sama mereka. Aku lagi pakai produk Sinergi Ampul loh, mukaku bagus. Kita cerita ya. Whatever we focus on 3 people on the left, 3 people on the right. That's what I do. Really focus. And I try to find the pearl. When you want to find a pearl, maybe you have to open many seashell. Banyak kerang yang harus dibuka untuk menemukan mutiara. Jadi cari dari mereka, pasti ada. Nah, jadi kita sering sharing. Dan motivasi mereka ya. Jadi kita perlu membuat target. Mungkin targetkan mereka, ayo siapa misalnya partner di kiri kanan kita, ayo gimana kamu 2 minggu sekali bisa dapat bonus. Help our partner to make a target. Maybe like, how can they get bonus every 2 weeks? Like that. And after 2 weeks they can get bonus. How they can make bonus once a week. So there's always a progress. Jadi kita harus upayakan mereka punya progress. Saya pantau ID member-member saya. I put all my partners ID, I put it on my laptop. Number. My laptop is so ugly. Yeah, my laptop is not good because many stickers of my partner ID. This is easy for me to check their point. to check how they grow their member. By doing that, it's really good. You can see the result in 6 months. Always make a progress. Jadi kita perlu memang punya anak, anggap aja ini anak-anak kita kasih mereka makan biar sehat, lihat pertumbuhan mereka. Kalau mereka lagi nggak semangat, ya kita kontak, kasih semangat gitu. Dengan begitu bisa. Jadi Rahel melakukan yang sama dengan yang saya lakukan. Dia ngajari membernya juga sama. Membernya mulai peduli satu dengan yang lain. Dan satu lagi, bisa melalui membuat WA group. Nah, WA group ini buat kaki kiri dan kanan itu disatukan dulu di awal-awal. Make a WA group, WhatsApp group, where you can combine your left leg and right leg together. So between them, they know each other, they have a good relationship even though in the sister line. But it's okay, make in one WhatsApp group. So that they can a lot of sharing coming. Nah, dengan begitu, grupnya itu nanti akan seimbang kiri dan kanan. I have a group saya punya grup yang terpisah-pisah, ada. Grup si A, leader B, leader C, saya punya. I have different many WA group. Grouping according their leader. But I have one main group that everyone who want to focus in Atomy, I put them in one group because I want them to have good relationship, left and right. They love each other. So every day I always have balance point because what I share in that group, left and right, they know together. They share to their team. By doing that, we can have auto-ship, ya. Mastership-nya itu nanti bisa otomatis. Automatically every day point always come from left and right. Jadi ini sangat penting bagaimana we simplify, just like family, growing children, give them food, take care, say hello, and just help. It's good. I see Atomy is in different view now ya. Saya melihat Atomy itu berbeda dengan cara pandang saya di awal-awal dulu. Dulu saya pikir Atomy itu hanya sekedar online shopping mall. Saya hanya berpikir tentang passive income. Tapi semakin hari saya melihat Atomy sebagai jawaban. When the way I see Atomy now is different. In the beginning, I only see Atomy as online shopping mall. Only I see as a passive income business. But now I see Atomy as a hope for everyone in this world. Karena di Atomy itu ada segalanya. Kita bisa mendapat kehidupan yang lebih baik di dunia ini. We can have a better life in the world. We can give value to other people. And also we can show love to them and help people to find their calling. Make people realize that, especially for Christian ya, I find Atomy is a good news. Because we cannot spread the gospel, kita nggak bisa cerita tentang sama ke orang, nginjilin orang, kalau nggak ada bukti nyata. We cannot spread the gospel if we cannot give them the real proof about love. And what people need now is good life, better life, especially in this pandemic situation. So at least Atomy can be the answer for one area about financial need for the family. Jadi dengan begini saya bisa cerita tentang Tuhan kepada banyak orang ya. I really love Atomy because I can talk about God through Atomy to many people. In Atomy we also learn about integrity, about character. Atomy is so amazing. The value, visi misinya Atomy itu sangat luar biasa. Mengajarkan Atomy teaching about love, about caring, about humility. Yeah, it's so good. So, ya ini yang saya mau ceritakan. Jadi Atomy is a good news for me. This is my Atomy vision. Ya, dari Pak Timo juga setuju. Good news ya. And kendaraan sukses as like a tool or a car to bring you to your destiny. Yeah, thank you, Helen.
Thank you. Thank you for your sharing, Bria. Me also learn from you. How can we help our partner? Thank you. Okay, then can you show us how to buy Atomic Korea
I
website?
cannot show through laptop, but I send them video. I make video.
Oh, okay.
I
Thank you.
will send video so they can review every time. Already I send to Rini. Maybe Sinta bisa tag saya, nanti saya kirim videonya ke Sinta. Sinta, can you give your WA? Text me so that I can send the video to Sinta. I already send to Rini. Ya, Rin?
Nanti saya cek
dibaca. Ya, nanti dibaca aja. Karena kalau
ya, already ini.
Hah? Udah ya, Rin?
Sudah.
Oke. Terus begini.
Kalau tidak mengerti, saya minggu depan saya di atas di Korea, di Seoul. Saya mungkin ulang lagi kalau nggak mengerti. Kalau nanti nonton video dulu,
Ya,
kalau kurang
nonton video
mengerti,
dulu.
saya akan ada lagi.
Ya.
Baik, Fatima.
By watching video, you can review, you can replay. Just play the video and do on your mobile. It works. This is the way we teach our partner to do Korean ordering. And one thing ya, kalau Pak Timo, kalau grupnya Helen ini kalau order Korea, alamatnya gimana Pak Timo?
Kalau seperti kita.
Sama. Nanti
Ya.
namanya diganti Rini sama Sinta gitu.
Namanya ganti pakai Helen aja.
Oh, namanya Helen. Nanti Pak Timo bisa kasih tahu itu ya, address
okay.
datanya ya. Sinta barangnya dikirimnya kemana? Ke Medan atau ke Jakarta?
Ke Bandung dulu.
Oh, berarti barangnya Sinta dan Rini ikut rombongannya Link ya?
Ya, tetap karena harus datang ke Bandung dulu, nanti kirim ke jasa atau apa, akan harus melakukan.
Ya, berarti nanti ikut, kalau gitu detail datanya jangan yang kayak punya saya ya Pak, diganti namanya Helen gitu.
Helen boleh, Nini boleh, Sinta boleh.
Oh, ya oke. Nanti saya revisi karena itu ada data yang harus direvisi, Rin. Kan itu tadi kamu aku kirimin kalau yang order grup saya. Kan nanti ada namanya di situ Ria. Lah itu namanya diganti Rini sama Sinta gitu. Ya.
Paham.
Ya.
Oke, Ria.
Okay, thank you.
Do you want me to do through Atomy? I every time pray, I always pray about Atomy and I ask God, why when you put me in Atomy, what do you want me to do through Atomy so that I can bless many people's life? And every time God tell me part by part, like when someone looking at elephant, ketika orang melihat gajah, first time maybe we only think elephant just like a pillar because we touch only the feet. And next time maybe we say elephant just like a fan, kayak kipas, karena kita pegang telinganya. Or maybe someone say elephant just like a wall because we touch the stomach. But when we put all things together, we see the true picture of the elephant. That's what God tell me every time is different. And the more I know it, and every time I got vision from God, I always share to my team. Every day I got many stories. I just call them and say, hey, this morning when I pray, I think elephant Atomy is just like this. Yeah, I share to my husband, to Pak Boas, always sharing every morning. I said, while cooking, suddenly God spoke to me about Atomy. Then I come to Pak Boas and said, today I just got new understanding about Atomy. Yeah, and Pak Boas, I always share. And Atomy is good if you do with your partner. Hopefully you can win your husband first, your family first, before you win the heart of many people. Sinta sama Rini disupport suami pasangan?
Disupport,
Support dari ini juga ya, it's good.
Yeah.
When you got support from your husband, it's faster you get your success. Because Atomy is the best way is to do it in a The most difficult one, if you do atomy, your partner doesn't support you. You need effort. You have to do it more excellently because you have to win the heart of your close friend first. But if your partner support you, it's easy. Do it together. So every day I always share with Pak Buas what I got about atomy, and Pak Buas is good in writing. She will make a note for what I said. I cannot good in writing, but I just got something I say. But Pak Buas good in writing, so we just helping and make a synergy each other. Yeah. Thank you so much, Helen.
Thank
In the
you.
beginning, you teach me a lot. I remember the first time you come to my house.
Oh, thank
But-
you.
And that time, I only see atomy as a business, not like now. So this 3 years has changed my understanding about atomy, and I think I will learn more during my time because every time God only peel one layer by layer. Setiap saat Tuhan tuh bukakan satu demi satu. It's like peeling a skin. Every time only one layer by layer according to our capacity. Yeah, we have our capacity and God teach us according to capacity. But atomy is good because everyone can successful. It doesn't matter you are rich or not rich, you are young or old, everyone can. As long as they can understand the vision. And we can make people understand the vision if we first understand it. If we don't get understanding, it's hard to explain to other people. And also very important is to attend the meeting. Join itu asa meeting yang Senin, Selasa, yang grup bersama itu oke, sharing di situ bagus. Dan kalau ada meeting-meeting yang lain, bisa ikut juga. The more we join the meeting, we hear the sharing and testimony, it makes our confidence growing. It's like the fire. When you have a coal fire, when you stay alone, you will get cold very easy. But when you get together, the fire burning stronger. Jadi setiap kali habis meeting seperti ini kita semangat. Tapi di luaran, when you go out, you meet people against you, then you can get cold again. Come again to the meeting to be recharged. Yeah, I think that's all can I share.
Okay, thank you. I really appreciate you. Really impressed of you. Okay.
I'm nothing, Helen, if God doesn't help me.
Yeah, right. God will do. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for attending.
Thank you,
Then,
Helen. My pleasure. Sinta, Rini, ayo sukses.
Makasih.
ayo.
Ya.
Ya,
Ayo,
harus
ayo,
sukses.
bisa.
Harus
Ya.
sukses. We are in the good team, in the very healthy team. In this
Right.
as Global Mercy, we must be successful in a good way, not wrong way. It's hard in the beginning, but at the end you will reap. Kita harus menabur dulu. Menabur biji, kita nggak pernah tahu biji mana yang tumbuh. Tabur terus. Karena suatu hari pasti tumbuh. Tabur dan siram. We must sow the seed and water them. Because one day they will grow. In the beginning, I share atomy to many people. Many people also reject. But by the time now, people hear about atomy from other people. And they come back to me. They said, is this atomy the one that you tell me before? I say, yes. And now they join. They use product. In the beginning, they say no, because the more and more people already speak about how good atomy product is, how good atomy system is, and now people start looking for atomy. Sekarang ini kalau saya prospek atomy, 99% orang pasti join. Now if I prospect atomy, 99% people join. Because I prospect not in the way that I want them to do the business for me, but I explain them how good atomy is for their future. Jadi prospeknya caranya berbeda. melihat dari sudut kebutuhan orang lain. I said, if you don't join, it's fine with me, but I don't think it will be fine with your family in the future. So people start thinking. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Really, thank you. Really. We also learned from you today so many things. Okay,
Yeah.
then our meeting will finish now. Yeah, thank you for Ivria.
Makasih Bu Ria.
Sama-sama Rini, sama-sama Sinta. Ayo Rini,
Okay.
semangat Rini, semangat.
Ya,
Okay.
Ibu.
Pasti bisa ya. Oke,
Then,
thank you.
thank
for
you.
meeting with me.
Bye-bye.
I also happy because when you share, then you also receive something. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Before finish, we need to shout motto.
Ya.
Wait a minute, I will share.
Makanya nggak hafal-hafal saya ini.
Can you say Indonesian motto?
Ya.
Oke, Ken.
Yeah. Okay. Can you start, Ivria?
Oke, ya, yuk kita katakan moto Atomi ya. 2, 3. Menghargai semangat, menciptakan visi,
Isi.
mengikuti keyakinan, melayani dengan kerendahan hati. Ayo,
Ayo, bisa. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good time. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Bu Ria.
Nanti teks aku ya. Aku kirim videonya cara order Korea ya.
Oke, thank you Bu Ria.
Oke, Sin. Yuk.
Yeah, God bless you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Cakepnya ikutan tuh.